Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Plato app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click on privacy here. Then you come to next step here, come here to show online to friends. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color it's gone. That's mean show online to friends. It's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.